Okay, hi guys, I'm going to show you how I line my pans. This is my pan and I'm about to bake. So I have already cut out strips, circular, based on the size of my cake pan. So this is what I usually use, brown paper. So what I do is I just place the pan on it like this, and then I use a scissors to just cut, you know, using the size, using just like this and cut. And then after that I cut a long strip of it to put on the body of the pan as well. So I've already cut that out, so I'm just going to show you how I'm going to line the pan quickly. So here it's an oil-based cake, so I'll pour in some vegetable oil in the pan just like this. So, and then I would really, with the aid of a brush, I'm going to, now I'm looking for my brush. Well, okay, just this is all around the pan, so to get the oil around it, like this, like this, like this, like this. So yeah, a bit, and I'll put the strip first. Yeah, just like this. Guys, I'm back with the brush. Yeah, it's not really easy doing it without a brush. So like I said, put the strip on it and so if you have some excess, you can just cut it off like that. And then if you have it bulging out like this, what you can do is to take a scissors and cut it, right? Just cut it. Yeah. So yeah, my hands are washed. Yeah. Okay, just go like that. Just make sure it's touching the bottom of the pan. And so yeah, get all around it. So after which I'm going to place the base, which is this here. And you've successfully lined your pans. It's as easy as ABC. So with this, you put your butter into it and you bake, and oh my god, this will come out very clean. So this is it. It's not hard, it's very easy. Follow me for more. Like this video, share this video, save this video, comment if you got value from this video, and follow me for more tips. And if you would like to upgrade your baking game,